Popo jet wash, which isn't very powerful. Give it a clean with this first. I'll follow the instructions on the back. So I did put some warm water in this. 2 capfuls to 5 litres, and that is a 5 litre tub. We'll walk around it, show you how dirty it is, show you up on the roof as well. I don't. When was the last time we cleaned it, do you reckon, babe? A long time ago, probably about 12 months ago, a little bit over. No, I don't know, it's been a while, but we've done quite a few thousand miles in it as well since. So yeah, give you a quick walk around it. See how this comes up. Might have to do it twice. So we're not allowed to clean it in storage because there's a river next to it. So the council won't allow cleaning in case any chemicals get in. So, and we also can't take it home because there's no parking for a caravan, even a small one. So we're about 300 metres away from the house. Let's put everything in a car, which is a bar lake. Take it to the caravan, bring the caravan back here, then unpack everything. It's a full day to clean the caravan, basically. Smidge more from the block. underneath one more time, just with the it's elbow grease and that brush, and just give it a good scrub. That's working pretty well for now. And then the rest of it. So I've done the roof the best we can. It looks pretty good, to be fair. I'm just going to do the sides quick and then spray some other bits on it, and then hopefully that should be it for a few months, and it should stay clean, because it's filthy. So I'm going to do the same, do the back, show you that, do the front. That's pretty clean anyway, and I'll show you when it's finished.
All the spiders are in there.
Yeah, they do, don't they?
Watch out, there's a car. Babe!
I feel there's a bit of like dirt on the side. Kaylee's just gonna give it a good wipe off camera. I'm gonna start doing the front. It's coming together. I think Kaylee's a little tired. We've both not been well, so yeah, it's taken us quite a bit of time. The roof I've had to do twice and it's still not right, but I'm going to leave it because I've only got a certain amount of water, and we've only got a certain amount of daylight as well. I think we started this at 11. No, we started this at 10 and it's 1:30 now and we've not even finished it, but we have neglected to clean it a little bit just because of the ball ache it is getting it here. That's the TikTok right there, isn't it? Just quite.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
I know.
just finishing off the first one with this one. We're just going to give it a quick wipe down now, and maybe Kayla's saying no because we've been out here for ages and she's freezing. It is cold, it's like 4 degrees. Do I have a few other things I wanted to use, but Kayla's pulling time now, so
You can do it, I love it.
the roof looks miles better, it does. Not as good as it could be. There's still bits to clean on it, but it's the first washing. I still don't know how long.
It's only about 6 months.
6 months maybe? Yeah. But before that 6 months, I think we went everywhere. We went Scotland, Lakes, Devon. We went all over the UK, so yeah, it's not a good clean.
Are you going to put the other thing on projections?
I only need the water. It's just like I bought that little bottle there. It's got a litre of water in it. You just sort of like spray over it, and it kind of stops all that green algae on it.
I don't use that thing.
What is it? I haven't got any more water, have I? Yeah, I suppose I could use what's left in that. Yeah? Yeah, but you don't want to, so...
When do I ever get what I want?
All the time. Have you enjoyed yourself today, though?
No.
You look like you've enjoyed yourself.
No.
She hates cleaning the caravan.
Wait.
She's the inside girl, but she's kept on top of it, so she does well at that. So, Kaylee's read the instructions for me, because I am a child apparently. And it's 1 capful for 5 litres, but we've only got 4 litres left.
4.5.
4.5, so yeah. Apply to all surfaces from top to bottom, rinsing the dirt and the cleaner away. It's already clean. And then it says chamois off in hard water areas or on a summer's day. So that says to me we can leave it on. We don't need to wipe it off, I think. Not used this before. We're going to do this here, and then we're going to go back to the storage unit, give it a once over with the other cleaner, the winter riser one, and then leave it there and see what it looks like in February when we come back to it. Did we show you the roof? I don't know if we showed you the finished roof, did we? We should get you up there. Not too bad. I'm going to take it back to the storage unit now. This might have dried off by the time we get there. Spray it with your thing, and then Kaylee's making me make a spag bol for making a stand out here in the cold and record and clean and pass me things.
For hours.
We have literally, I think it was 10 o'clock. I've said about 3 different times.
It was 9:30 at least when we got to the storage place.
So it's probably about 10 o'clock when we got here, and it is 20 to 2. And it's not even a full clean, like we've missed the wheels. The roof could do with one more go over. Last step is we're going to use some of this in this, although the instructions say 2 litres of water and we've only got a 1 litre spray can. So Kaylee's read it for me. We're going to put a quarter of this in here, and that should do it, and give it a spray. I'm going to try and get the roof, but I'm not getting my ladders out now because we're cold. So we'll give it a spray. We've got it back to the unit. It looks pretty clean, although the back of it's gone dirty again. Like there's a little bit of dirt. We've only come 3 miles down the road, so that's annoying. So yeah, state of the car. This is why we don't clean it very often, because it's a job for tomorrow, I think. bit more. Okay. Oh, too full. I hope it's not dangerous for your hands. Is this how it said to put it on, do you think? We do struggle with a lot of black stains. We have got the Fenwicks stain remover. We tried it last time, it didn't seem to move them, but probably use it ever on my part. I think that overspray is a lot better to try. But like here we get a lot of black stains. Well, I think it's done. Just to spray it and leave it on. So let it do its thing. It's a nice dry day, cold but dry. We'll see what it looks like when we come back in February, or a little bit before February. We'll check on it before, make sure it's still here and no one stole it. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Like and subscribe.